Are you ready to make your home more energy efficient and eco-friendly? If so, discover the benefits of installing cellulose insulation in your home's exterior walls. This simple upgrade can significantly improve your home's comfort and reduce household energy costs. But why cellulose? Well, first, cellulose is an eco-friendly option. It's made from recycled paper, and so that makes it a very sustainable choice that will help reduce waste and conserve our natural resources. Next, cellulose can lower your energy bills while keeping your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Cellulose can also help you enjoy a quieter home with its excellent soundproofing properties. And finally, cellulose is a fire-resistant option. It's treated with non-toxic borate, which provides added fire resistance. So how do we install cellulose insulation? Our team at Seal ensures a smooth and efficient installation process because during your assessment, we've conducted a thorough inspection of your exterior walls to determine the best approach for installing this insulation. In preparation for the installation, we'll drill small holes underneath the siding of your exterior walls to allow for the injection of the cellulose material. The cellulose insulation is then blown into the wall cavities, filling those gaps and providing a dense, effective air barrier. Finally, the holes are sealed and the walls are restored to their original condition, leaving your home looking great and performing even better. So take action today. Join the movement towards a greener, more energy-efficient home. Contact us today to schedule your home energy audit and learn more about how cellulose insulation can benefit your home. Visit our website for more information or call us at 201-632-3463 to speak with a Seal Power representative. If you know somebody who would benefit from new insulation, please pass this video on to them. If not, we hope to see you on your upcoming Seal Home Energy Audit. Thank you.